Boy, today I have a nightmare of a story to tell you about a lady that filed way too many claims that she shouldn't have. Hey, this is Mendy with my insurance claim expert here to answer all your insurance related questions. So, there was a lady who bought her house in 2015. She knew the roof was 25 years old at the time, and she bought the house in that condition, and about a year later she filed her first claim because she had a leak in her roof. Her insurance company denied her claim. A year later, she filed a second claim, which the insurance company said that there was no hail damage to the roof, but they paid a few dollars for her siding. She then switched insurance companies to another insurance company because her premiums were going to be cheaper by switching to that insurance carrier. Passes a few years, she files a third claim on the roof, because all of her neighbors were filing claims and they were all getting their roofs paid for, so she decided to file a claim as well. That claim got denied, and then she filed a fourth claim, and that claim got denied as well. And the kicker of it was that after denying that fourth claim, her insurance company said, hey, we're not renewing your insurance policy, goodbye. And now she's looking for insurance, and her only options are going to be extremely expensive. In fact, she may be stuck just resorting to not having insurance except for what her mortgage company purchases because she doesn't have any. Where did this lady go wrong? So that's what public adjusters are there for. That's what people who can give you good advice are there for. Don't file a claim without knowing that it's going to be a claim that's worthwhile. Out of those 4 claims, I guarantee you probably 2 of them were not good claims to file. And out of the other 2, one of them was probably a good claim that the insurance carrier wrongfully denied her. Having a public adjuster, number one, we would have looked at those claims and told her when not to file a claim. And so people always ask us, well, we shouldn't file claims because then we're going to get dropped, right? Well, understand, no, you're not going to get dropped because you filed 1 claim. If you file 2 claims over a decent amount of time, you probably won't get dropped either. But if you file 4 claims over a period of less than 10 years, absolutely your insurance company is going to drop you, and I hate to say it, they should drop you because you're just wasting their money filing claims that probably shouldn't have been filed. When is a good time to file a claim? When you have a large loss. If you're not going to get a payment of at least $5,000 to $10,000, you definitely don't want to be filing that claim. It's just simply not worth it. You're looking for the kind of claims where there is significant damage to your house and your insurance company is going to pay properly. When you call a public adjuster first, we're going to take a look at the claim, we're going to determine the value, and we're going to help guide you and tell you whether it makes sense to file a claim or not. If it doesn't make sense, we're going to tell you don't. If it's not a covered loss, we're going to tell you don't. And just because your neighbor got his roof paid doesn't mean that your roof is damaged. Hope this information has been useful. As always, the first thing you should do if you have a potential claim is read your policy, call a public adjuster, have a public adjuster read your policy, and look over your claim and determine if it makes sense to file or not. As always, we're here to answer all your questions. You can always email us questions@pantherpa.com. Please show some love, share, like, comment, tell the world about us. Have a great day.